no shape was known. A single spark became a throne. One sphere arose, pure, still and bright. The first I am, source's living light. No edge, no end, no time, no name. Just infinite love from which all came. And from that point the lines took flight. The web of form in sacred light. Noon, the pattern sings, 12 spheres dancing on golden wings. Tetracube, octa, dodecaecosa, the 5 pure forms in us flow cosa. Lines of light through time and space, holding earth and holding grace. I am the center, I am the key. Eum Kunun, I am I see. 12 spheres rose in perfect ring, each a star, each a soul, each a king. Pleiadian heart, Syrian mind, lyre and fire, Orion's design. Andromedan unity, Arcturian code, Capella's flame, Protean's ode, Vega's future, Alcyonia's past, all held in the web at last. Home could be known, the pattern sings, the soul remembers what the body brings. Fire, earth, air, water, ether, divine, all encoded in this sacred design. My DNA hums with the geometric tone. I am not lost, I am not alone. I am the center, I am the key. In cube 9, I am I see. I stand in the center, I breathe in the line. The cube spins around me, divine, divine. Golden threads through heart and bone. Rebuilding the light body, cell by cell, stone by stone. No longer broken, no longer blind. I am the architect of body and mind. With every breath, the grid renews. The new earth rises in me and through. Now the tetrahedrons rise and align, star within star, the ancient design. Spinning in light, both ways I turn. In the heart of the cube, the flames now burn. Upward to source, downward to earth. I am the bridge of infinite worth. Metatron writes my name in the flame. You are the name.